Oh, so my grandma is saying, guys, after delivery you should just know that you're supposed to wrap your tummy. Don't wait for months to wrap it. This, you know, you have that That's what she said, that this is bad for CS. You really can't use this after CS. If it's CS, please don't use this. Don't use it. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, as you can see, I have my grandma here. So there's a video that I shared with you last year on how to wrap your tummy after delivery, and most of you loved the video, you enjoyed the video. My grandma is back today with another. I just want to ask her some few questions on the tummy band that I invented, I think a year or 2 years ago. I just want her honest opinion. So if you find this video entertaining, interesting, or if you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the band that I introduced to you, or I shared a DIY with you like some 2 years ago. So I just want the honest opinion, my grandma's honest opinion on this band, especially after delivery, if you can use it after delivery, because also most of you have been asking me if they can use it after delivery. If you watch the previous video with my grandma, she shared with us a tutorial on how to wrap your tummy after delivery, just to, you know, to reduce your tummy. You're going to take a long fabric and wrap it on your tummy like that, just to reduce the size of your tummy, especially after delivery. Okay, yeah, sini hapo hivyo. Yeah, so if you haven't watched that video, make sure you just check the description box down below. I'm going to show her how it works, and yeah, so let's get her opinion on this band, because you know, when an older person tells you something, you follow. So I really appreciate her advice on this. So huyu nafanya hivi, acha nikuonyeshe. Nika hivi ni band tu mrefu ya kuonekana funga kwa tumbo, kufinya tumbo. Sasa naingiza hapa. Guys, don't worry, I'm talking to her in Swahili because she understands Swahili better. Ana venye mrefu, sasa nina mrefu ndo toshe kila mtu. Hata mtu akona size tumbo kubwa anaweza ivaa, mwenye kwa mdogo anaweza ivaa. Sawa, Johnny band haikui tight sana, haikufinyi sana. So ni mwenyewe uta decide kama utaweka ikuwe tight ama isikuwe tight.
Okay.
Hivi utaka uneka hapo. Ama uneka hapo. Bora ikuwe penye nasikia kama napumua. So unaionaje?
Hii kama ndio umevaa. Hii kama umevaa, hii ndio inashikilia tumbo. Usikuwe na tumbo kubwa. Tena kama mama kama anajifungua, hii inashika tumbo.
Hii unaona ikiwa sawa. Azinaoni kama ni mbaya, hautapumua, utakosa kupumua, ama unaona aje? Mama anaweza kosa kupumua.
Anapumua. Unaweka kwa sinini mahali, unapata nafasi yake.
Lakini hii ukiona inaweza saidia kupunguza tumbo. Kama umezaa ama kama
umezaa, inapunguza. Inareduce tumbo yako kuwa slender.
So guys, and this is just my grandma's first honest opinion, and she's never seen it before, and I love the fact that she's just saying that, you know, after looking at it, or the first look on how it works, she's like, it really will work if you have a bigger tummy, if you just delivered. Unaona kama inawaka kama ile method yako. So hii unaona ikiwa sawa. Haifinyi, unaona kama inafinya sana kama umeza.
Unaweka kiasi.
Kazi na kazi sana. Alafu nikuulize, hiyo mtu mwenye ametumia CS amepasuliwa anaweza tumia?
Mwenye amepasuliwa hawezi tumia, kwa sababu hiyo kinonda ambayo wamepasua haitakani iguswe. Kama anataka atafunga kama hiyo kinonda imepona.
So guys, my grandma is saying, like, if you had the CS, she really won't advise to use this band unless the wound is really healed. So she really advises not to use this band. Especially, I get so many questions, people asking me if they can use it after CS. I always recommend not to use it, because even just like looking at it, you just feel like, you know, it's not comfortable. It might you know, affect the wound, and I don't advise that as well. Guys, remember, we're not doctors. These are just our honest opinion. Especially my grandma, this is just their old way that they used to do things, and the opinion is how they used to do things. She's not a doctor, I am not a doctor. So kuulize mtu mwenye menini amefanywa CS, amesio CS pasuliwa, anaweza funga hiyo method ilikuwa umesema. Na kwa last time nitambia tunachukua hii kamba unafunga hivyo katikati. Sijui nimepasuliwa hapa, sijapasuliwa huko. Sasa naweza funga
hiyo, utafunga kiasi tu, kiasi, kwa sababu hautafunga ile inakukata hivi. Kwa hiyo tunaomba unashika tu, unapandisha hii kitu hapa hivi, sio unapasua hapa tu, unapandisha hapa hivi kidogo kushikilia.
So guys, again, my grandma is saying, for the previous video, most of you are asking me if they can wrap it after CS, but she's saying, since you know you have that so she said that this is bad for CS. You really can't use this after CS. Her method, the first method, you can use it. Just take the wrap and, you know, tie it there, but make sure you don't tie the wound. Just put it there. It's going to help. But she really doesn't support this when after CS. Don't use it after CS. Okay? Alafu na hii kuhu na hii ndio tulikosha last time. So guys, my grandma's honest opinion on this is that you can use it after delivery, but it should be normal delivery, not CS. And then after the first few days, you don't have to make it tighter, make it looser. And then after some few maybe months, you can make it tighter to reduce the, you know, the time. So kuku mtume ajafunga, akifunga anaweza funga like kuna mtu maybe hapa amewatch video yangu hajui, anaweza ifunga after like 3 months, ameza nika 3 months hapo anajua. So anaweza itamsaidia kufunga like 3 months ama 6 months later.
Kama imeenda. Haiwezi kumsaidia. Kwa miezi ambayo imeenda. Haiwezi kumsaidia. Yaani hiyo ni kupenda kwake, afunge tu.
Lakini itamsaidia?
Inaweza kuyote kumsaidia. Inamsaidia.
So guys, asking my grandma if maybe, because I also got so many questions on the previous video that I shared with her. Most of people are asking if they can use the method after, let me say, 3 or 4, 5 months after delivery. So my grandma is saying like it really won't be effective compared to if someone just wrapped it immediately after delivery. So you have to really do it immediately or just like a day or 2 after delivery. But if you use it some few months later, unless if you just want to, you know, to try see if it will work, but it really won't be that effective. So mtu anafaa kujua kishaza kufunga. So my grandma is saying, guys, after delivery you should just know that you're supposed to wrap your tummy. Don't wait for months to wrap it. It might not, your tummy might be like in that position for a while. It won't reduce compared to someone who wraps it immediately. So guys, I have another one. This one, my grandma has never seen it before, so I just want to show her again. This is how it looks. Kucha njaribu pia uone, niambie. So guys, this is it. This is how it looks. It's very tight. Hii si mzuri kwa mtu ameza. Unaona kama ni tight sana. Lakini nasikia kama anapumua.
Ni kusilimu tu.
Na kwa mtu ameza.
Na kwa ameza.
Na kama ni normal delivery, kama si hajapasuliwa.
Kama hajapasuliwa, anafaa.
Anaweza vaa?
Anaweza.
Kwa sababu mimi napumua.
Uko unapumua?
Nasikia vizuri.
Kama unapumua hakuna aina shida.
Guys, my grandma is saying for this one you can wear it. At first she was like, no, it looks so tight. But then I've told her it's breathable, and she's like, if you're breathing, then you can wear it even after delivery. What about CS? Come on, we and then she's like, if it's CS, please don't use this. Don't use this. She's not recommending. Again, guys, if your doctor tells you to do so, if your doctor tells you to wear it, that is fine. But this is just my opinion and my grandma's opinion. You can follow it or not, but this is just our opinion. Make sure you consult your doctor. Make sure you ask your doctor before using any of these products, not just my products. Any product that you see online, just because someone else is using it, don't use it thinking it will work for you. So guys, let's just conclude. So huyu umesema aje?
Hii pia hii pia haina shida. Hii pia unaweza kuifunga kwa sababu kwa style ambayo unaweza kumua.
Lakini CS asiguze. So CS, guys, my grandma is saying this one and this one is a no for you. Sasa kwa mtu akupasuliwa anafaa kupunguza tumbo aje? Nyinyi mlikuwa mnafanya aje kitambo?
Hiyo unachukua hii.
Ni hivi tu.
Ni hivi tu. Sasa kama amepasuliwa hapa, huwezi funga hapa kwenyewe. Unafungia tu hapa kwa kiasi tu ndio unaenda tu chini kwa mkono.
So mtu amepasuliwa ni
huwezi kucrap yote vile unacrapia hivi.
So CS you can't wrap it like this. So unasema mtu mwenye amefanywa CS itakuwa ngumu kupunguza tumbo ama? Ni ngumu kupunguza tumbo.
Acha apone kwanza. Lakini sio hii
ya kufunga sio hii. It is affect bone.
Si ndio. Tena hiyo kinonda inaweza pata joto. Inaweza pata joto. Hawezi tena ilete nini?
Infection.
Yes. Sasa inaweza kuja hapo.
If it's CS, if you use this type of corsets, if you wrap anything on the wound, you will sweat and then it will affect the wound. So she's not supporting the ban after CS. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up for my grandma as well. That follow what she's saying. Don't use it if you're not supposed to use it. And yeah, so that is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.